Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I woke up this morning and I just felt like I wanted to make a makeup tutorial video. I just wanted to film something and edit it. I'm so uncomfortable. So I'm gonna start off with this. Okay, it's not gonna focus, but it's like a blur perfector from Laneige. I don't know how to say it. I'm just gonna do it. I don't know how to do makeup, man. This is just for fun. I've been breaking out this summer. I'm gonna blame it on global warming. Say that. That's why my skin sucks, because the air is really bad. I'm gonna do this Paw ointment. I'm gonna use it as my chapstick. I watch so many YouTube videos on how to do makeup that you would think, like, I don't know how this is done. Not really. I make vlogs, but I'm so awkward in those. Oh, I'm using this Tarte primer. It's called Timeless. I'm just gonna put it where all my pimples are. I've got a lot, so it's gonna take a moment. I'm being very aggressive. I don't normally put foundation on for my everyday look, but because this is for YouTube, I'm gonna do it today. So I'm gonna use, this is super old. It's like a Chanel foundation. I'm using it only because this is the tannest I've been in a while. This is the darkest shade I have. Honestly, if this is where I find out that it doesn't match my skin, I'm gonna cry because you're all gonna see me like this. I'm also mixing it with this sample Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. I think it's a moisturizer. I'm gonna use my fingers to mix it together. Then just gonna dab some of it. Blend it. It's very aggressive. Okay. Kind of feels like it didn't do much. Oh, I always bring it down the neck. I always forget that. We're gonna go on to the concealer. NARS. I'm using the shade Praline because I'm normally a macadamia, but after the summer, I've just been soaking up that vitamin D, the sun. Do you think this matches? I don't feel like it does, but some days I look in the mirror and I'm like, that's not your shade. I love it, but some of my scars on my face are like too dark. So I'm going in again. How's your day? What'd you do? Oh my god, no one told me. I didn't blend. I feel like sometimes I go out and no one tells me that I didn't blend like certain parts of my face, and like everyone's just too nice to like tell me. I feel like I'm whispering right now. Oh my god, I'm not telling you anything I'm doing. I'm using this Laura Mercier setting powder. Gotta set that all in. Am I in focus back here? Damn it. Oh god, this is gonna suck. Okay, now I'm using this Shade to Light palette by Kat Von D to contour my face. This is another thing I feel like no one tells me I do poorly, my contour. I'm doing that thing where people say to make like a 3. It's such a weird 3. Also, there's like this pigment thing on my face, and it's just like naturally darker here, so it constantly looks like I have unblended contour, but it's my face. I also keep saying my face because there's this Vine. There's this dad and he's reading his, I think it's his daughter's like Halloween paper drawing, and there's a caption under it that she wrote, and she said, I had a grat Tim at Chickagrit. There was lots of mock-up on my face, or something like that. It's just really poorly written because she's a child, and I think it's very funny. So I have this small brush to contour my nose. I'm probably gonna use the same Shade to Light palette. Is that too dark? blend, blend, blend until it goes away. A little bit on the side. I feel like the main person that's taught me how to do makeup is Michelle Phan. I call her my ate. When I didn't have my sister growing up in the house to teach me how to do makeup, I had Michelle Phan on YouTube. Slowly and slowly her camera quality got better. I was like, shoot, YouTube's cool, man. I've always wanted to make YouTube videos, but just never got around to it because I'm nervous to put myself out there. Ew. I'm gonna use this cloud paint in Dawn. I'm sweating, my arm is sweating now. Barely let it come up. No. So I like to put this on my cheeks as blush. I think that's what it's meant for. But I get the tiniest amount and I just do a little like, hello, hello. And it's good. I look like Pikachu. I need a tissue. Mom! I'm gonna use my middle finger. Usually I use my index finger, my ring finger, because it's apparently the lightest finger. So I just like blend it out and I like bring it back. I'm doing it very hard. So once that's like pretty blended, I feel like it's just gone now. I put like a tiny little bit on the center of my nose and I like to blend it out like I'm a little sunburnt. So I'm gonna take my, oh, this looks nasty because it's like, it's been thrown around everywhere. It's my Norvina palette. And I use it all the time. And I'm going to take eccentric. I almost said eccentric. I'm gonna take that orangey color. And I'm going to put it at the crease. And I kind of just like, blend it out until I'm happy. And then I like to take the same color and put it under my eye, just so like I look sunburnt like everywhere. Who doesn't want to look sunburnt? And I like to take this base color, take a load, and I put it in the center and I blend it out. So I got this palette. It's called Atomic Blonde from NARS. They don't sell it anymore. I'm very sad because I'm gonna be very upset when it's gone. But my favorite color is this one. It's called Sison 2. And I like to take my ring finger and load it up and just put it at the center and blend it out. Is this a weird everyday makeup look? You know what? Why do I keep asking questions? Paula, just do you. Stop asking for approval. So important. Why do you care so much about what everyone thinks? I don't know, because I've always done that. And then I'd like to take this one. That one's called Kink. And I take some of that and I just like put it in the center because it's extra sparkles. My camera just cut out. I've been filming for so long. Okay, then I got this Stila waterproof eyeliner. I'm not supposed to use waterproof stuff with these lashes, but I don't really care at this point because I'm trying to get rid of them. I feel like this looks way better in person than it does on camera. Let's just, oh, I forgot. I usually go in with a darker color on top of my eyeshadow just to make it look more like defined. Oh, sorry, I took this volatile color. I'm so close. And I just put it at the ends. If I'm going out at night, I just put a little bit more. Sometimes I'll make the eyeliner thicker, depending on the vibe, if I'm trying to be an ABG or not. So, trick I learned from Michelle Phan is that you have to follow the bottom lash line to get the wing correct. I think I might actually do something here because I kind of like that look. Like, you look like a tiger. I think I'm very inspired by makeup recently because of the show Euphoria. The director really likes makeup, apparently, and that's why everyone has such dope makeup all the time. It's like so unique. Makeup is such an art form, and I think everyone should just have fun with it. Cares about looking natural. Natural. I don't know why I said it like that. Just like have fun. Paint your face. If you want to go to school with like flash tats on your eyelids, do it. You do you, babe. I'm such a hypocrite. I'm always like, oh my god, live your life. Like, don't worry about what other people think. But then I'm here like, does this look weird? Is this cool? This is very therapeutic, talking to myself. Or that camera. Fire truck. I'm not focused, sorry. Gotta get back in the zone. You know what's funny? I just realized I'm using my like vlog camera to film this when I have like a DSLR. Not done yet. That's part of the whole shebang. I'm gonna go back to the NARS palette, the Atomic Blonde. I'm gonna take this highlighter. I used to love like really packing on highlight and like making it like pop like crazy with the brightest highlighter you could find. But then I realized it's all about subtle highlight, you know? It's all about like I know everything. So I'm just put on the cheeks. My camera's flashing. It's about to die. I don't really do my eyebrows normally, but for the video, I'm gonna do this Glossier Boy Brow. It's very subtle. Okay, so this is my eyebrow with Boy Brow and without. It kind of just looks bolder. I used to use the brown color and I realized that did nothing for me, and then I was like, Paula, your hair is black. Get the black. So I got black. Just gonna set it in with this all-nighter pollution protection spray. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, I hate that, I hate that. That's it. That is my look. This is what I do, not on a daily basis. This is what I do when I'm trying to act like this is my normal makeup look. Thanks for watching, guys.